Is your middle mouse button not working in Windows 11? I'll show you 3 quick fixes to get it functioning properly again. First of all, before proceeding towards any method, pick up your mouse and try blowing into your mouse wheel. Now, try again and see if it worked or not. Search Device Manager in Windows 11, Taskbar Search. Now, click on Device Manager to open Device Manager. Now, click to expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click on your mouse driver and click on Uninstall. Now, restart your computer. Press Win plus R to open the Run window and type the command regedit. Press Enter to open the Registry Editor. Navigate to the key H-key Current User Own Control Panel Desktop. On the right pane, double-click on the entry wheel scroll lines to open its properties. Modify the value of value data to 3 and click on OK to save the settings. Exit the Registry Editor and reboot the system. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.